Hi and welcome back to Metasploit Extreme on Kali Linux. And yes, this series is going quite well in an extreme situation as we are progressing. So the final section that I would like to take in post exploitation is how you can monitor to the victim's computer and can search some content on it, and how you can grab actually the screenshot of it. And to be very honest, the post exploitation doesn't end here, it just starts up here. What you can do with the victim's computer is totally on your intention, but really Metasploit is really one powerful thing which you should utilize. And in that you can also simply go to this question mark and find out lots and lots of commands. Like there is a privilege escalation, hasdem get command, there is also webcam options. You can record the webcams and everything out there. Also we have got lots of commands that are out here, and also some important commands are out here that says networking command, std api command. You can upload, download, these are some basic commands. So everything is out here for yours, for just to try yourself. And make sure there's also a route option, port forwarding option, so that if you got hacked into one server and you want to hack into some related machines to that server, you can also do that by this port forward and route up, and quite other networking commands are also being supported, and just because of this std api. So also what you can do, you can also screenshot of the victim just by using the screenshot command, or you can simply let's say you can load SPR, and with the SPR extension that we have loaded, you can again hit a question mark and can find out there is a screen grab command now. So screen grab, once you'll hit the screen grab, since I have already got my Metasploit session, you will find that the screenshot is being saved to /root/ this name of the, and here we have got our victim's computer. So let me quickly check out by going into the places where actually it has loaded everything for me. Not quite visible, so I'll just close it down or minimize it. I'll go to the places, home folder, and once the home folder will open up, okay, so we have got a black screen because I think the screensaver was running out there. So let me again hit this command, screen grab, and this time with some other name it is being saved, and oops, again a black screen. So let me hit some other command. So screenshot, let's give it a try to screenshot if it does something different for us. /root, some different. So okay, this time I have got something. Let me open it up. So if the one command doesn't work well, it doesn't mean we are going to quit that command and we are not going to work. For some reasons might be that command not working, but other is working, so our intention is being fulfilled. So here we have got a nice screenshot of victim's computer, and apart from that there is also a search option. So if you give a -h to the search, you can find out what you can do, lots of options with the search. For example, what I can do, I can put a -f, and let's say I put a star over here for anything that says some example are out here like doc.txt, .jpg. You can find out such things in that, and the search will help you to find out or search as much as possible text files or any other file which you have mentioned in the directories. So we have got lots of file with the text, and you can find out that as well. So post exploitation doesn't ends up here, it just starts here. And make sure you grab each and everything from the victim's computer, but if you have permission to do that, and make sure you practice it on your own machine so that nobody is out there to claim that hey, you have done something wrong, and you practice out each and everything. So that's all for this video, and let us try to start a new section, and maybe in the further upcoming years I'll be keep updating this series, so I'll add some more post exploitation on demand or with myself as well. So thank you so much for watching, and keep enjoying the exploitation stuff.